What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Gwaponolimits channel. Today we're going to install the rear diffusers from EOS. You see that? Things you're going to need some pry tools. You're going to need an extension with a 10mm. You'll need a 7mm. Some Loctite, some double-sided tape, Gorilla 3M, whatever you want to do. These come with the kit itself. Also, you're going to need a flathead to take every license plate. All right, you're going to also need some drill bits to drill your hole. Specifically, going to use the 3/16, the 1564, and through 5/16. I used all 4 of these for this install. These are ones that come with the kit. You use a flathead to tighten it on when you put them inside your diffuser. I recommend getting you a chalk pen. That's what I use to do also to mark my, when I put the diffuser on, I use it to mark my like my placement of it. It's easy. It's like it go on there, you can erase it. It's better than using like wasting all your tape and everything. So that's what I use for this, and get you some measuring tape. But yeah, like I was saying, this one comes with your kit. I didn't purchase the diffuser like this with the pinstripe. I actually just did it myself. I'll have a link in the description for the video if you're interested in seeing that. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna use the Loctite to put them inside the diffuser itself. All right, so it's 3 ways you can do this. You can take the bump off completely. Some people do it that way. Some people just want to loosen up the vents right here and then be able to pull so you can reach behind it. And my way, what I'm doing, I'm going to remove the vents like completely. So that's what method I'm doing. So first, you're gonna need the 10mm right here. It's gonna be 2 10s behind the license plate. You see those? It's gonna be 2 down here. I can't see. I'm not seeing. Oh yeah, up here in the top. One right there. And that's another one right there. It's gonna be. I'm gonna remove one so you can see. So 2 right there, and then you're gonna have a few 7mm at the bottom underneath. So you got 1, 2, and these right here. It's on both sides. All right, so first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. All right, got some for that magnet. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the ones at the bottom, or the other 2 10, I mean, by the exhaust tips. So to take these off, you look on each end. They have a one side is gonna be like a pretty much, I guess you got a little more space on one side. So I took both of my pry tools. I took one of them, probably like something like this. I bent it in, and then as I did that, I took the other one and I put it up under here and pried it through.
2,000 years later.
I think I definitely broke that. I break it. Yep, I broke the hook. Shit.
Hey, watch your mouth!
See, this is what it looked like. So I broke the hook. got some shit. These are actually labeled, so you can't mix them on this right side, and then the other ones say left. Alright, so we're gonna remove these two. We're gonna remove the bottom. I did the same thing on the other side. Alright, so once you get all those bolts out, just gotta pull. Try to get down there and show y'all exactly where to pull from. Pull right here. So now I'm gonna take this in the kitchen. Go ahead and start doing these. Start the other process of putting this diffuser on. All right, now my battery dying. But now I got them in the house. I went ahead and drilled one out the bottom to fit the OEM bolts. It's a 3/16 I've used. It fit right in there, perfectly fine. All right, so had to let my phone charge a little bit. I went ahead and knocked one side out. I used a 3/16 to drill these holes, which is perfectly fine. But I recommend going up one size because it's going to help you, give you a more leeway when you go to line your diffuser up. So now you're going to use your factory bolts, line them up with the bottom of the holes on the valance. Everything should line up perfectly fine once you drill your holes. You just got to keep adjusting it and find the sweet spots where everything is, the diffuser itself is flush against the valance. And then do your measurements. So right here, I just held it in place. I recommend having somebody help you with this one. I was by myself, but it was all good. We got it done. It was 4 inches from the top to the little visor light thing. The thing I broke, but it was 2 inches on one side and it was 1.5 inches on the other side. Now that I got my measurements, I'm gonna use the chalk pen to trace the diffuser just for like that extra security, so I know where my placement is. I'm also going to use some grease and toothpaste to put by the holes, so then once I lay it down, I know where to drill at. Got everything lined up. I'm gonna lift this up. Maybe messed up right there. My spot, so right there. Alright, so I just did my 2 holes. Now I'm going to install the hardware that came with the kit. All you need is a flathead to put these on. I'm also going to use a little bit of Loctite. Now I'm going to test fit the diffuser with the bolts installed. Now that you see it fit and everything lines up, I'm going to remove it, clean the surface, clean the chalk off, add my double-sided tape, and reinstall it on the valance. Alright, but here's the final product. Overall, this was not an easy install. I recommend you have a second set of hands. EOS, man, y'all need to start giving templates for these diffusers, man. This is crazy. But I ended up leaving the visors off. I'm finna tint those. Well, I'm buying a new one because they saw me, I broke it in the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and black those out. And the bottom ones, I left those unscrewed because I'm finna install my 01 spoiler also. So also at the bottom, so when you test fitting them, I would make the bottom holes a little bit bigger so you get more like leeway with the moving around. That was one thing, because I had it so tight that it fit through, but it was so tight that I couldn't really get it to go into the 2 holes on top. But then once I made it a little bigger at the bottom, they just literally they fell right into the holes on top I made. So I did it real good with the measurements. And also you can see the chalk is gone. So definitely get one of these. There ain't nothing but it's the easiest way. So you can mark yourself using your tape. Just use get you like a chalk pen. So yeah, that's the install, man. Hope this video helps somebody out. Remember, like and subscribe. Hit notification bell. Till next time.